just everything from the day I started, it's just been amazing, a lovely journey, like. You know, and never knew that I would be really this obsessed completely. I was told about it because I'd love to know just the basics. I want to know at the start of how to do certain things, like, you know, and then since I came here, then just obsessed. That's the new word for it, like, I never missed a day since then, like, kept coming, like, and basic things that I learned that I didn't even know of, and that's, I needed to know that too, and it was brilliant, like, but it just went totally obsessed. And I'm doing it for myself, and just to feel, you know, to switch off from the world and just feel happy and just, you know, enjoy something that I'm actually doing, like, you know, and what you're learning, and it is not on a time limit. You can just learn at your own pace, and that's what's brilliant, like, you know, and you know, and just every time, just there's so much to learn, and in with it all, like, and it's not just one thing. There's so much variety, like, you know what I mean, and all different, like, flower plants, herbs, vegetables, everything, like, you know. So it's good, the learnings keep going the whole time, like. Amazing. Shocked, like, you know what I mean. And it's nice, you know, to enter the competition, and that's the journey in horticulture too as well for myself, like, you know, and many more hopefully. Just turn up and just see and just take it from there, like, you know, and then whatever vibe you get from it, if you're into it or not, like, you know, it comes from the soul, you know, and you're like, you know, you have it growing inside you or not, like, you know.